There's almost no limits to the new 2024 Ram 1500 Limited. Check it out. We've got a chrome grille, chrome tow hooks, and it's in Delmonico red, one of my favorite colors from Ram. We've got the Hemi e-torque underneath the hood. We've got the premium 20-inch dual-tone alloy wheels wrapped in Nexans. We've got the automatic side steps, heated and vented power driver and passenger seat. We have wireless charging. We have connectivity. We have ride height adjustment, the trailer brake controller, the 12 inches of screen with nav, and also 360-degree camera and auxiliary cameras you can install. And also we have our four-wheel drive controls right here, full digital cockpit, that way it mirrors the navigation, leather-wrapped steering wheel with hands-free controls, and a Harman Kardon premium stereo. Panoramic sunroof for both first and second row. It's a heated and vented second row, rear air connectivity, our controls for the seats, and also a power inverter, big huge floor mats throughout, Ram storage, lift this up, a whole lot of cargo room in here. Tailgate is down, coated bed and inside tailgate. We've got our cargo rails with cleats, more tie downs and LED lighting, and of course the color matched Delmonico red bumper, big chrome Ram logo and chrome twin exhaust for the Hemi, and she's ready for a trailer with a new 2024 Ram 1500 Limited right here at Payne Rio Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.